Hey, welcome back. We're playing the moon race. Let me add some money into the machine. We're playing the 5-cent denomination. $1.25 bets. Let me show you guys the progressives. 1 second. Those are the progressives. And let's get started. 26 numbers. Ooh, that would be nice. Start off with the numbers. Or we need, for the free games, I'll show you, we need 3 of these moons here. 3 of them to trigger the free games. Don't forget to smash those thumbs up, like, and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. We'll put out new videos every single day. So wish me luck and let's do it. Just in case, one more. Those are the progressives. Once again. And let's try to get them. Mini, minor, major, or the grand. The grand is pretty big. And 2 more balls. Oh, that was a 6250 ball. Those are some nice numbers. 2 more. Ay, ay, ay. I'm going to do 2 fast spins. 1 and 2. I think we might get it. Come on, one more. There we go. We're in it. Let's go. Smash those thumbs up, like, and subscribe. And let's go. Let's get it. Something big. Come on, massive. Come on. Come on, machine. Be nice to it. Moons. Come on, moons. You guys can do it. Come on, retrigger. Oh, we needed one more for retrigger.
No.
Okay, let's do it. Come on. Hey, hey. Come on, we need something big here. Come on. One more moon. Ay, ay, ay. One more ball we needed too. Come on, moon. There we go. We got a retrigger. Let's go. Smash those thumbs up. We'll put out new videos every single day. Give us 5 more extra free games. Let's go. Come on. One more moon. Oh, we needed one more ball too. Wow. Not looking good so far. Come on, we need some help. Come on. We need balls with the letterings inside. Ay, ay, ay. Or a full screen of the wilds will be good too. Last game. Wish us luck. Let's do it. Come on. Come on. Okay. Well, that's all it paid us. Let's keep on playing. Okay. Come on. We need all those balls there. Let's go. Let's do something amazing. One more moon. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, let me do 2 fast spins. 1, 2. Okay. Fast spins are eventually not working today for me. Usually they do, but today is not. We'll just go with the flow, right? Let's try to get this. Come on, machine. Give us 6 numbers with a minor or major. That would be nice. Come on, we can do it. Let's do it. Come on, machine. Wow, 2 more. Wow. Come on, machine. Don't be that greedy. Stop it. We need 1 more moon there. 1 more ball. There we go. We're in it. All right. Let me show you guys the progressive what we need. We need the mini, minor, major, or the grand. So let's do it. Come on. Letterings. Let's see the letterings. Come on. Big numbers. Letterings. Come on. Stick it. Come on. Letterings. Save it. Save it. Okay. We need mini, minor, major, or to fill it up with the grand would be nice. Come on. Save it. Okay. 3 more and we got the grand. Ooh, come on. Mini, minor, major, any lettering. Come on, give us lettering. Save it. Save it. Save it. Alright. Okay, that's what we win here. $40. Okay, little something to play with. Let's go. Everybody smash those thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, smash those thumbs up. And we put out new videos every single day. So, okay, $40. Okay, bonus. Let's try to do it back to back. Try to get something really good here. Come on. Come on, machine. Be nice to us. You can do it, machine. Come on, we got the lucky moons, right? Come on, lucky moons. Let's try the penny now. Try 2 fast spins. 1, 2. Now the mini comes up. Okay. See how the penny pays us a little bit, right? Come on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. Oh, we need a full screen of him. That'll be good. $3.50. Okay. Come on. Numbers with a major. That'd be nice. The $608 major would be not bad. Be nice. Be something to play with, right? One fast spin. 15 cents back. One more moon. Almost. Oh, we're almost there. Come on. $1.50. Okay. Little something. Come on, let's hit something good. We're due for it already. Come on, three balls. Come on, 3 more. 1 pass. Okay, 90 cents, 1 more. Okay. Come on, machine. Ay. $1.15 back. Come on. All right. Let's go back to the nickels. Let's do 1 fast spin. Yeah, there goes the mini $50. Come on, let's hit it. We need to hit something good now. Come on. It's gotta pay us something good. Come on. Let's do it. Come on. 3 more. Wow. Machine a little tight now, huh? 1 fast spin. Okay. Oh, I saw the minor. That'd be nice, $250 minor. Oh, we got it. The mini and minor. Smash those thumbs up. The mini is $250. The minor $250 and the mini is $50. Wow. All right. We got him. Denomination. Please like and subscribe. Smash those thumbs up. This is a big win. Come on. Save it. Veteran. Come on. Save it. Come on. Save it. Okay. This is what we win. Huge. Nice. Smash those thumbs up. Please like and subscribe. Put out new videos every single day. Huge. Boom. Smile. There we go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Smash those thumbs up. That was an awesome bonus, right? There we go. Finally hit it. All right. There we go. 999, right? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We put out new videos every single day. 5-cent denomination. Let's go. Maybe we can do it back to back. Come on. Let's do it again. One fast spin. Okay. Three more. Oh, would have been in. Oh, that's a line hit right there. Let's see how much that'll pay. Guess how much? $23. Not bad. 25 cents. Okay. Keep on playing, right? Smash those thumbs up. And don't forget to like and subscribe. We put out new videos every single day. And click the notification bell so you get notified. 3 more. Ay. Come on, 3 more. It's coming again, I think. We can do it back to back. We just needed 2 more. Nice numbers, right? Yeah. Come on. Let's do it. We can do it. 3 more. Come on. Okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Smash those thumbs up and we'll be back.